You sit through a long Zoom meeting, and by the end, you're not even sure what was actually decided. So now you're stuck rewatching parts of it or digging through messy notes just to figure out the outcome. And the longer the meeting, the worse it gets. Conversations go in circles, ideas change midway, and what sounds like a decision sometimes isn't one at all. Here's the real problem. Decisions don't come labeled, they're buried inside discussions. One person suggests something, others debate it, and somewhere in between, a final call is made. So when you rely on memory or raw notes, you either miss decisions or confuse suggestions with actual outcomes. That leads to teams working on the wrong tasks, repeated conversations, and constant clarification messages after the meeting. But here's the twist. The issue isn't the meeting, it's how you process it afterward. Most people try to review everything manually, but decisions aren't something you should hunt for. They should be extracted from the full conversation. And this is where things change. Instead of rewatching or rereading everything, use what's called the decision extraction system. Here's how it works. Step 1. Capture the full meeting transcript or notes without filtering anything. Don't try to identify decisions during the meeting, just get the complete input. Step 2. Paste that into AI and give a clear instruction. Extract only confirmed decisions from this meeting. Step 3. Add clarity by saying, ignore discussions and include only finalized outcomes so you don't get false positives. Step 4. Refine once by asking, list decisions in clear bullet points for easy review. Quick example. Your meeting might include something like, we could launch this week, but marketing isn't ready. Maybe next week works better. Yeah, let's do next week instead. Also, pricing might change, but not final yet. Now you paste that in and ask it to extract only confirmed decisions. And the output becomes, launch postponed to next week. Nothing else, just the actual decision. Now here's the part most people miss. You don't need to review meetings. You need to isolate outcomes. Once you do this, everything changes. What used to take 30 to 60 minutes of rewatching now takes seconds, and your team stays aligned because everyone is clear on what was actually decided. No more duplicate work, no more confusion, and no more unnecessary follow-ups. So the takeaway is simple. Stop reviewing entire meetings. Extract only the decisions that matter. Like, subscribe, and if you want faster meeting clarity, check the description for more.